Spring cleaning is more than a chore. It's a ritual that has been passed down through generations. It signifies renewal and rebirth, much like the blooming flowers and fresh air of the season. As nature awakens, so do our homes. The sunlight streaming in and the chirping birds remind us of the beauty of a fresh start. This deep clean ushers in freshness, making every corner of our home feel revitalized. Our homes feel brighter and lighter. Organization follows naturally, creating spaces that are both functional and beautiful. We find joy in tidy drawers and sparkling surfaces. Each task completed brings a sense of accomplishment. Spring cleaning also benefits our health. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a healthier living environment. It banishes dust mites and allergens, which improves air quality and makes our homes safer. We breathe easier in a clean home. The fresh air and absence of dust make every breath more refreshing. A clean home promotes mental clarity. Clutter disappears, and with it, stress melts away, leaving room for peace and productivity. We find peace in the order we create. The tranquility of a well-organized space allows us to truly relax and enjoy our surroundings. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Enthusiasm sometimes leads to mistakes. A common error? Tackling everything at once. This often backfires. Cleaning the entire house in a day is overwhelming. It leads to burnout. We abandon the project. Another mistake? Not cleaning from top to bottom. Dust falls down. It lands on already cleaned surfaces. Frustration mounts. Skipping the planning stage is another pitfall. Without a plan, we feel lost. We jump from one task to another. This is inefficient. A successful spring clean requires strategy. First, break down tasks. Divide cleaning by room or by day. This makes the project manageable. Choose the right cleaning products. Different surfaces need different cleaners. Read labels carefully. Use products as directed. Prioritize high-impact areas. Focus on the kitchen and bathrooms. These rooms see the most traffic. They deserve extra attention. Don't forget windows. Clean windows let in more light. This brightens the entire house. Use a streak-free cleaner for best results. Unveiling the hidden havens of dust. In every home, there are places where dust loves to hide. These hidden havens often go unnoticed in our daily cleaning routines. Spring cleaning delves into forgotten corners. We clean under furniture. We move appliances. These areas are often neglected but can accumulate a surprising amount of dust and grime over time. We uncover hidden dust bunnies. Decluttering is crucial. Sort through belongings. By organizing and reducing clutter, we make it easier to keep our homes clean and dust-free. Keep only what sparks joy. This method not only helps in decluttering but also brings a sense of happiness and satisfaction to our living spaces. Donate, recycle, or discard the rest. By letting go of items we no longer need, we create more space and reduce the dust that these items can collect. Cleaning behind and under appliances is key. Refrigerator coils collect dust. Ovens harbor crumbs. These areas can affect the efficiency of our appliances if not cleaned regularly. A thorough clean improves their efficiency. Don't forget light fixtures. These often overlooked areas can gather a lot of dust, affecting the quality of light in our homes. Dust accumulates on shades and bulbs. Regularly cleaning these can make a significant difference in the brightness and ambiance of a room. Clean these for a brighter and more pleasant feel in general. A well-cleaned home not only looks better, but also feels more inviting and comfortable for everyone. The finishing touches for a revitalized home. The final touches bring everything together. These small details can make a big difference in the overall feel of your home. Clean mirrors for sparkling reflections. A spotless mirror not only looks great, but also reflects light, making your space feel brighter and more open. They amplify light and create a sense of spaciousness. Add a fresh scent. Natural light can transform a room, making it feel more inviting and warm. Open windows for natural ventilation. Diffuse essential oils. Fresh air is essential for a healthy living environment, and essential oils can add a pleasant aroma. Choose scents that promote calm and relaxation. Lavender, eucalyptus, and citrus are great options to create a serene atmosphere. Finally, take a moment to appreciate your work. You've put in the effort, and now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Embrace the feeling of accomplishment. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of a job well done. Enjoy your clean and revitalized home. Take a break, relax, and soak in the comfort of your refreshed space. Spring cleaning is a journey. It's a process that involves decluttering, organizing, and deep cleaning. It's about more than cleaning. It's about creating a space that reflects your personality and meets your needs. It's about creating a space that sparks joy and promotes well-being. A clean home is a happy home, and a happy home is a healthy home. Leave us a comment below telling us which spring cleaning mistake you may be making and how you plan to change it. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.